Now is, see, it's squash with malunggay leaves and fish, sardines. Kain tayo. Sweet. I like it. It's tasty. Good. It's good in our health. I need this always. Pag ang ulan. Munggo. Ang ulan. Sarap. Ulam for today's video, ayun, nagluto ako ng munggo with karabasa and malunggay. Yan. Luto for today's video, ayan. O, diba? Okay. Rice. Kintuman. Oh, yeah.